Congratulations on your recent Küat product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your Pivot V3. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Slide the Pivot V3 into your vehicle hitch port. Align the hitch pin holes and secure with the provided hitch lock. Fully tighten the cam system using the provided 8mm hex key. Install your bike rack or accessory into the hitch port of the Pivot V3. Align the hitch pin holes and secure with the hitch pin or threaded hitch pin. Tighten the cam system on your bike rack or accessory product. To swing the Pivot V3 arm out, pull the safety pin tab out and downward to align with the safety pin vertically. To disengage the rack, use the lever latch handle and release the U-bolt from the latch U-bolt mount. To release the swing arm, pull the lever hand release tab towards the hitch tube. The cam latch will lock into notches. You will need to pull the handle to release the cam latch each time. Use caution when opening to 120 degrees. This position may cause interference with the vehicle. To close the Pivot V3, pull the lever hand release tab towards the hitch tube. Shut the arm. And replace the pin into the original position. Position the tab of the safety pin by pulling down and out to the side. If you find your Pivot V3 lever difficult to latch or too easy to unlatch, it may be necessary to adjust the clamping force. This is accomplished by slightly loosening or tightening the nuts on the U-bolt. A minimum Class 3 hitch is required to use the Pivot V3. Weight carried further from the hitch will increase the tension on the vehicle's hitch. When using a Küat rack, limit the amount of trays to 3. The maximum hauling weight is 250 pounds when keeping the weight within 28 inches from the accessory hitch pin. The maximum weight drops to 150 pounds when extending past 40 inches from the accessory hitch pin. It is important to check your vehicle or hitch manufacturer for exact tongue weight details. If you have any questions while assembling this product, reach out to our customer service team by calling 877-822-5828 and be sure to register the product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.